Hi everyone, here we've got SONY Xperia C5 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change volume buttons function in the camera app on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app and let's check for what the volume buttons are responsible for right now. So let me press the volume up button, and as you can see, all we can do is to actually change the volume of the sounds. So in order to change the function, let's enter the settings, which are in the left corner. Now let's tap on more, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the option which is called use volume key as. So let's tap on it, and as you can see here, we've got 3 different options from which we can choose. Right now we've got volume set, so we just checked it, but we can also set zoom or the shutter. So let's pick the shutter. For example, we can go back to the camera and let's press the volume up button, and as you can see, let's check also the volume down button, and as you can see, both of them are responsible for taking a picture right now, a photo. So let's check also the last option. Let's tap on zoom and let's get back, and after pressing actually the volume up button, we can zoom in, and the volume down button will be responsible for zooming out, so we will get further from the object. So actually this is it. This is how to change a volume buttons function in the camera app in your SONY Xperia C5 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.